All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 12 of our December daily math. And this says number 1. It's a coin. What is it? Is it a dime or is it a nickel? It is a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. Very good. Very good, you guys. Okay, write less than, greater than, or equal to. This side says 16 minus 9. This side says 14 minus 6. So 16 minus 9 is 6 and 1 is 7. And 14 minus 6, 6 plus 8 equals 14. So 7 is less than 8. Okay, write the number. 100, so 100, 200, there's 300, 10, 20, 30, and I don't see any ones, so there's a 0 there. So 330. What number is 50 more? So that means 5 more tens. Well, 5 more tens, 3 plus 5 is 8. There we go. Good job with that place value. We got to keep working on that, right? Always keep working on that place value. It'll help you so much with all of it. Oh, Taco, that little dog, I didn't do it. Yeah, right. Who believes that? Not me. Any dog owner knows better than this. Taco, or number of times Taco ate slippers, people food, homework, garbage. Yep. How many times did Taco eat people food and garbage? So how many times? Okay, people food, there's 25, and garbage, there's 11. So let's go ahead and we are going to write 25 and 11. Let's add those together. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So, Taco, 36 times. Oh, man. And he's so tiny. All right. Circle all the even numbers. Now remember, even numbers can be split in half into 2 even or equal piles. So we have a 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, that's a 7. Almost got me. 12 also ends in a 2. 16 ends in a 6. So 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones column, and it's an even number. All right, don't forget to write down your score, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next day of our daily math.